Hi everyone, back again with another amazing product that I know you're going to love. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk looks. This product is a stunner, sleek and stylish with a premium feel. And the price? Honestly, I'm shocked. It's affordable without skimping on quality. You're getting premium features at a fraction of the cost. It's also super functional. Whether you need it for home, work, or a gift, it's perfect for every scenario. Check the description for all the details. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for stopping by.